Acorn Finance Review, is AcornFinancecom legit or a scam? Acorn Finance Review, is AcornFinancecom legit or a scam? If you're looking for a simple way to invest spare change or manage your finances, Acorn Finance might have caught your eye. But is it a legitimate platform, or should you be cautious? Most people get this wrong by assuming any finance app promising easy money or investing shortcuts is risky. The surprising truth is that Acorn Finance is generally considered legitimate. It offers micro-investing services, allowing users to round up daily purchases and invest the difference in diversified portfolios. It also provides retirement accounts, checking and savings options in partnership with insured financial institutions. You won't believe what happens next. While the platform is safe, some users have reported slow customer support or minor app glitches. Your investments are protected under US regulations, and the app uses encryption to secure personal and financial data. However, like any investment, returns are not guaranteed, and market fluctuations can affect your portfolio. To make the most of Acorn Finance, start small, diversify your investments, and monitor your account regularly. Be aware of any fees associated with premium accounts or additional services. In conclusion, Acorn Finance is a legitimate and safe platform for beginners looking to invest spare change or manage personal finances. While it isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a practical tool for building financial habits with proper attention to fees and investment risks.